Hey, what's good, everyone? I hope you're doing great. It's your boy Papi, and it's a new video, guys. So today I'm going to show you how you can earn unlimited money on ClipClaps without referrals. Okay, so those of you who don't know, yeah, you need a lot of referrals to make a lot of money from the platform, because you can be watching videos all day. You know, you barely make much. You're watching videos, and for you to earn faster on this platform, you always need to refer people. That is the only way to earn a lot of money. Now, I have a method where you can refer people, but this time around, you don't have to refer people, but you are going to refer yourself several times and make money from the platform. Okay, so in actual sense, you're actually going to create a lot of accounts which would be termed as referrals, but you don't have to go and talk to people for whether they will register or not, because referrals seems to be a problem for everyone. Okay, so those of you who don't know much about ClipClaps, I have a video which actually shows you how to register on ClipClaps and how the app works, how to actually use it to make money. Okay, so you can watch the video, or it's on my video description. That is this particular video description, where you can use it to watch that particular video. And if you're already a member on ClipClaps, and I guess this is nothing new to you, so you just need to follow the steps that I'm about to do to be able to do achieve what I'm talking about. And again, make sure you don't skip this video, because if you skip, you are not going to understand every single move that I take in here. So make sure you follow and watch the video to the end. Okay, so let's set the ball rolling. So first of all, you need two apps on your phone to make this possible. You need an app with the name Nest Plus, and also you need another app with the name Two Accounts. Okay, so you download, make sure you download these two apps from Play Store. And once you are done with the download, okay, now you open the Nest Plus app. Okay, so this Nest App Plus is actually used to get a free phone number online. Okay, it could be a foreign number, any other country number. So right now we need to sign up. Okay, so it says continue. Click on continue. Okay, you allows it to, you just need to deny for the device location. Okay, you just let allow. Okay, now we select username. You need to enter any name. Let's make it like let's do it Philip. Okay, let's do it Philip. Okay, Philip. Okay, then the password could be any password you think. Okay, at Philip. Okay, then you click on accept, agree to terms and conditions, then you click sign up. Okay, so we need to verify we are not a rebel. Okay, so you click on next traffic, click on traffic, then verify. Okay, creating account. So now our account is now creating itself. Okay, now you click on allow, just allow. Okay, so now we are in. It says welcome party, welcome to your new phone service. So like I said, you can use this app to get a phone number. Okay, and use it to receive OTP code, and for your online verification purpose, you can use this phone number, this app to get your phone number. Okay, and as you can see here, there's your credit balance. So meaning that you can, it's a paid service too, but this time around you can get the number for free, and you can also buy the number if you want. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get our free number to start the process. So when you click here, it says tap to get your free Nest Plus number. Okay, so you tap to get your free number. Now you click on the state and select any state that you want. Let me remind you, some of the states might be working for you, some of them too will not work for you, so you keep trying until you get the right one. But anyway, I'm going to use New York. Okay, let's try the country, their code. Okay, that is the area code. Okay, so you can select any of them. I'm just doing this randomly because some of them work for me, some of them too don't work. And you click on get a custom. normal. Okay, we need to verify again. You click on I'm not a robot. Okay, it says buses, so you select buses. Okay. Traffic light. Okay. Up. Okay, so we are going to use this app to double the ClipClaps app, since we already have one on the phone, which is we have already used it to log into our personal ClipClaps account. Okay, let's go ahead and create another one. So you can see you add it. Okay, so it's creating a new ClipClaps app on your phone. So meaning that you'll be having two accounts. Now you open it. It says ClipClaps to run correctly. You need to allow these permissions. So you need to click on allow. Okay. You need to allow everything to have access. Okay. Sometimes it may be slow. You run into applications, same applications on your phone, so it may run slow depending on your phone too. Okay, so this where it takes us to a new interface where we need to create accounts. Okay, so here you need to click on the phone number, that is the phone. Okay, there, or paste the number that you created on Next Plus. Okay. Okay, so this is the number. Now I'll go ahead and select US because the number is from US. It's of America. Okay. So let's cross check and see if the number is right. Okay. Okay. So you click on get code. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we have received the code over here. You can see that is the code 6654 6654 6654. Okay, then verify. So now we create a new account. Let's use the name Moses. No, let's use Philip. Okay, Philip. Just now. That's the name. Then you enter any date of birth. Okay, you can randomly select any any date of birth that you want. Okay, because we need to make ClipClaps know that there's a real person. Then you select your sex, whether you're male or female. Okay, the normal procedure on how to create an account, then you skip. Okay, so this is where you need to the account has been created. So right now you need to redeem using your own code. Okay, that is when they get to know that, okay, actually you referred this person. Okay, so click on customize my number, then you click on free. Okay, then you select state.
It's like that, you're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain.